Good morning. This is Kathleen at My Alabama Farm Life, and this is going to be another decluttering video. This is for the hashtag Decluttering Challenge 24. This is hosted by Susan at the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. And today I'm working in what will soon, hopefully one day, be my kitchen. Before Christmas and my kids arrived, I decluttered a huge part of the house and it all ended up down here. And so we're gonna get that cleaned up. Before Christmas and my children arrived, I did a big push to get all of the stuff that was cluttering up my bedroom and my dining room and my living room down here in the basement. One of the things that I wasn't using was my camera bag. I have my tripod, I have my case for my GoPro, and my wires and a bunch of other stuff that I use when I'm using my GoPro. I have everything centrally located so that I know where it is when I'm traveling. That's usually when I use my GoPro. Now, this other box, this is an old ammo box, and I have one of my radios in here. I have another radio somewhere. I think it's in my bedroom. I have to go find it, but I do have a pair of these nice little radios for emergencies. I also have this battery backup. It ended up down here in the basement, but it needs to go back upstairs next to my computer and where I have the Wi-Fi. It works really great when the electricity goes out and it keeps the Wi-Fi going. This is my camera case, and I'm not really sure what's in it. I don't use my camera hardly anymore, so let's find out what's inside. So my camera's not in here, but I do have some lenses and a few other camera accessories. I'm pretty sure my camera is in my truck. I'm going to have to go find it and put it back here in the box. And this is a box that I have a few prizes in. This is a set of planters. They're self-watering planters, and I need to get those set up. I want to put my basil in there. And here are two pictures that I got from Donnie, or Storyteller Donnie, that he painted on his channel. And I'm going to be looking for some frames and see if I can get those framed up. In the meantime, I'm going to put them over here with my gardening goods. And as you can see, Rudy is very interested in all the things that I am doing down here. All right, so I'm looking for a spot to put my 5-gallon container of water. I keep spring water in the house. I have one upstairs and I wanted one downstairs, not only to drink but also to help water my plants. And of course I'm going to put this mop bucket over here in the corner out of the way. And I really need to get this wagon out of the basement, put it in the barn, but I'm going to move my potato plants outside for a little while so that they can get some water and sun. And today, instead of Shelly supervising, we have Blue on the job. And this box, it was in the dining room. It just has some stuff in it that I'm just not willing to part with yet. Maybe soon. These sunflowers, they need to go outside. So I might find a container for them. And these shovels need to go out to the barn also. And of course, Shelly is just in time to inspect the results of cleaning this little corner, and hopefully she approves. I am guessing that we have been approved to start on the next section of the basement. These are some slats that my daughter cut and stained. They're for a chair project that I need to finish up, but I'm going to get them out of the way for the moment, along with that chair and these furniture movers. Now, I've been moving this from place to place for a while now. This is a new wave cooker or roaster. I'm not even sure if it works, and I'm pretty sure this is also as seen on TV gadgets that you can get, but it was here in this house when I bought it, and it's just I don't know what to do with it, but I don't want to throw it away either. I'm thinking that I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my storage room. It can stay there. Now, the next thing that I need to move is this old Schwinn bicycle. This is also my daughter's. My husband bought it for her, oh goodness, years ago, had it fixed up for her. But since it's been here in Alabama, it has not been taken care of. It was sitting outside. We've moved it inside because she was so upset about it, but it really does take up a lot of space. So this is our yellow cat Steve, and I guess it's his turn to take a look around and see if he approves with all the new changes. The next thing that I need to move, and I want to put it into the other room where I have all my craft stuff, is this drawer set. This is one piece from a set of drawer systems that we had from IKEA, and this is the only piece that we have left. I really want to put this into my craft room, and but it's going to take using a lot more strength than I have to move it, so I need to go get a hand cart. There is a lot of egg laying going on outside. I tend to use this hand cart to move my chicken feed, but this drawer set is just too heavy and the tires need to be inflated, or maybe I need to replace them. So I'm not going to be able to use this hand cart. I need to go find my other one, my newer one that works better. All right, so that was way easier than using that red hand cart. It was easier until disaster struck. These shelves, as you can see, are very narrow and it tends to be top heavy, and I did not put it down correctly and it fell over. But everything seems to be okay. My son came home and helped me lift it back up, and nothing inside was broken so far that I can tell. All right, so the next thing that I need to move is this headboard. And this goes with my bed, but until I get the floors down into my bedroom, I'm not going to attach it to the bed yet. And then I have this picture. This picture used to hang in the living room upstairs, and it's very heavy. It's a pretty picture, but it's really not my style. But I want to keep that frame. I keep thinking that I could have a nice picture put in there, and something that I could hang down here once I get my living area all set up. What you doing, Rudy? You gotta move. Rudy, you gotta move. There you go. Go back outside. Go back outside. I have Rudy on a lead, and I have the door open to the basement, and he's been going in and out. And that's why you can hear the chickens so clearly today, because the side door is open. What are you doing? Are you messing up my camera? All right, so those are 2 wood panels that I'm adjusting. Those are the panels that go in my bedroom. We had 2 extras. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to move my freezer up a little more so I have a little bit more room to for my next project. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it interesting. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.